Hey?
How was that, man?
That was unreal and unusual.
Unusual?
Yeah, did he have 2 wives?
No, the one in the boat with him, the old looking one, she's his wife.
Yep.
In the other boat, her husband had passed away.
Oh,
Her
okay.
husband died, so they're just travelling together. That is like traditional sea gypsy stuff, man.
Yes. I couldn't imagine living like
You're one
that.
of the few honkies ever to have witnessed this spectacle.
Very lucky.
You want to go past me now, do you? Okay, this is our fishing boat, so it's very difficult to clamber past each other. It's a lot of
you're right.
passing
You're
of. I'm just gonna. Oh, there we go. Oh, we have successfully made a pass. We've successfully passed. Guided tour of the boat. Here's the wheelhouse with the charging station. There's a charging station here in the wheelhouse. And if I, that's actually looking quite tidy at the moment. That's where the captain sleeps. Captain's bed there. There's Nanda through the other door, looking like James Bond with his sunglasses.
Yeah.
He looks like a famous Myanmar actor.
Yeah.
It's the steering wheel. And oh, who's over my shoulder now? It's the captain, Eito Nicola. Can you see yourself there? It's a famous captain, Eito. He's been our driver of the Tokyo line. This way, so.
Bóng cho lại con này. À, bóng đi chưa? Ê. Bóng đi đây gì đây ở đây này. Bóng đi đây nhiều đây cái này lại. À. Gypsy đó. Mara.
Discussion going on here about food for camping. There's our crew and engineer. And they're coming this way, so I better get out of the way. I'll get right out of the way.